The circulatory system transports oxygen, nutrients, and other substances throughout the body and removes wastes from tissues. As blood flows through a circulatory system, it moves through three types of blood vessels: arteries, capillaries, and veins. Our purpose is to give the needed importance to the circulatory system as a part of the heart and why it is important to take a good care of it. With our model, we will show how the heart blood pumps. By pressing the air pump machine, the blood will move around simulating it is alive, like the next image. That is how people will interact with it. The materials we'll need for this experiment are white plastic tubes, narrow plastic tubes, industrial glue, fasteners, silicone, scissors, air pumps, fake blood, water, and plastic bottles. First, we mix the fake blood with water to make it more liquid. It will represent the blood pumping through our heart. Next, we attach the air pumps and the plastic tubes and glue them together. The plastic tubes will act as the veins, arteries, and capillaries of our heart. The plan was to cut the plastic bottles from the top and bottom part, leaving us with the center. We will cut it in the middle and we will have a plastic rectangle with which we will make the heart with. We then realized we needed the plastic to be completely flat in order to be manipulated easily, so we tried several methods in attempts to flatten out the plastic.
Pues así un fracaso, que tú digas un fracaso total, este método no.
We even tried with fire, but the fire alarm in the building kept going off and this could have caused the evacuation of the whole establishment. We decided to try and make the heart with the most flattened plastic we had, but we realized it was almost impossible to make it look nice and to be able to put all the tubes through it. Our heart was a big fail. After being left heartbroken, we decided to use a complete plastic bottle to represent the heart. It had bigger space, and the tubes could go through it without any problem. We were still figuring out how to cover the plastic bottle, but finally the experiment was taking its shape. Even if our project didn't go as first planned, we still managed to find a way to make it still work. After we finished putting the plastic tubes in the bottle, we put the fake blood in the white tube and put blue liquid to represent the arteries in the narrow tube. We decided to cover the plastic bottle with Play-Doh that will mold it so it looks like a heart and then cover it with glue to make it sturdy. The human heart is one of the most important organs of the body. It makes possible the transportation of oxygen and blood through our body, and it is necessary to do even the simplest of tasks. With this experiment, we hope to make people understand a little bit better how the heart works, its components, its main parts, and how important it is to keep it healthy.